Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple Music subscription and that you're signed into the same Apple ID on the devices you use. Once signed in, make sure listening history is enabled in settings so plays count toward replay. Now open the Apple Music app or go to the replay page. Sign in if prompted. This is necessary because replay compiles play data tied to your account, so without the subscription and listening history enabled, it can't build your personalized list. Once done, navigate to Listen Now and find the replay card or Open Replay. Apple. In a browser, you'll see a list of yearly replays. Select the year you want to inspect. This reveals total hours listened, your top songs and artists, and the curated replay playlist. Make sure to add the replay playlist to your library so it appears in your playlists across devices. You can share it, download it for offline listening, and watch it update automatically as you continue to play music. To finish, verify that your replay reflects recent plays. Sometimes it needs up to 24 hours to update across devices. If you don't see expected tracks, sign out of Apple Music and sign back in, confirm you're using the correct Apple ID, and re-enable listening history. Then give it some time. If problems persist, check for OS or app updates and, as a final step, contact Apple support. They can investigate account-level data issues. Remember, consistent device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.